Let's get in a check as to how the equity markets are faring, and it's pretty much status quo, a fairly lackluster start to the markets and continuing with that kind of momentum. 6,039, that's where the Nifty is placed at on last count. The Sensex is giving it company, off by 42 points at 19,942. The advanced decline ratio is now teetering in favor of the losing side, and were it not for Reliance Industries, which has notched up very firmly in terms of price action as well as on the volume charts, perhaps the fall in the markets would have been more severe. But let's then pull up some individual stocks which are losing out in today's session. In terms of high beta, you do have Jayaprakash Associates. That one is off by close to 2%. Tata Motors, after fairly unencouraging numbers from JLR. M&M also giving it company. Jindal Steel and Power, Hindalco, Tata Power as well as Cairn India. And the IT pack is looking a bit muted. So you've got Infosys as well as TCS, which saw a recent run-up, which is now tempered off. Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI Bank as well as Maruti Suzuki featuring on that list. On the upside, giving Reliance Industries company is HCL Technologies. Dr. Reddy's is looking fairly decent, as is Ranbaxy. And ahead of its numbers, Bajaj Auto higher by close to 1%. Broader markets also showing you very lackluster momentum.
All right, a quick check then on the currency in the fixed income markets. The currency is under pressure. In fact, it's down something like 20 paise in trades today. So on your screen, you can see the rupee trading at 54.82 to the US dollar. This is against closing levels of 54.60 roughly yesterday. Now, globally, you are seeing the dollar making some gains, and that's somewhere pressurizing emerging market currencies, and the rupee is losing on account of that. So you can see on your screen, the dollar has lost, but it has still gained against the euro from earlier levels. You did see the euro go to levels of 1.33 earlier, so that's come off, and that's again impacting emerging market currency. So the rupee, 54.83 as we speak. Like we've been saying for some time now, none of the fundamentals seem to be in favor of the rupee. We'll have to see how fund flows go, and of course that announcement coming from the Reserve Bank of India day before yesterday, where it's allowed, or rather opened, a special window for banks to access dollar export credit for exporters, is going to take some pressure off the cash market. In the cash currency market is expected to help, but that window opens only on the 21st of January. So until then, quite likely that you'll see the rupee remain under pressure. In the fixed income markets, yields continue to stay where they are. So they've come off, like we've said, quite substantially over the last few weeks. And as we speak today, if we could pull up the 10-year benchmark bond to see where the yield is trading at. So there you have it. That's the price. So it's come off a little from yesterday's levels, and the yield has climbed back to 7.87%. Remember, it did go all the way down to 7.79% day before yesterday when the WPI numbers were put out. So some profit booking being seen over there. So yields are climbing back towards the 7.9% level.